sweet. Hi and welcome back to my channel, Voss. It's your favorite Caribbean cosplayer, Erica, and today I have a specially invited guest.
Hi.
This is my little sister, Paige. Today's her birthday as well. Woo! Wish her a happy birthday, guys. She's feeling herself. I did her makeup, and now she is going to do my makeup, specifically one of my cosplay makeups I've done on the channel before. As you guys have already seen the title, it is probably one of my most ambitious looks. She chose that for herself.
Regretting it.
So we are going to see how she does today. I'm not going to prompt her. I'm not going to tell her what to use. I have all the products laid out here already. Some of them she doesn't have to use, but that's kind of like the trick in the makeup look. So we'll see how she does, if she has any of her sister's artistic ability. She always says that she doesn't, so we will see. So let's get into the video today, guys. Wish Paige some luck.
I will need it. I'm going to start with her eyebrows. So I know that she put on the glue. I'm not sure why.
Paige, do you want to tell the Voss about yourself? Is there anything you want to say to them? Do you want them to know anything about you?
Not really.
You don't want to
I'm a very private person, but what I would say is just go easy on me because I already know how much experience with makeup or
really
cosplay. I barely started doing my own makeup last year. So you know, just go easy
And
on me.
how old would you have been last year?
What are you gonna do that, man?
How old would you have been? Tell the Voss.
16.
Sorry, it's okay.
Okay, 23.
16.
But, you know.
And that is because she is the baby of the family, and
I
she
would
would
not
have
call
two
it that.
older sisters to do her makeup for her. Anytime Paige is going anywhere,
Because they loved it.
I didn't really enjoy when I would be watching my shows and she would come and be like, can you come and do my makeup? And she would always be rushing.
I thought it was fun.
She would always be rushing. So then you gotta start and you gotta make sure you give her a full face in like 20 minutes.
Or less.
Exactly. So this is how my brows look after she's glued them down with the glue stick. Glue on my eyebrows. What do you do next?
Okay, I am now going to apply some powder.
I do have powder. There's powder right here.
Where it is. Yeah.
So she's brushing it on. Can I stop and let the people
sorry.
see? So this is what we're looking like. It's not a bad application so far. And I recently got my brows done by my barber, so.
First off, from here, I'm going to do some white eyeshadow.
I want eyeshadow to stick. No, you don't use to. Concealer or eyeshadow base.
Right thing. So,
Okay. Go
I'm
ahead.
going to take
YouTube
YouTube hand.
Don't put it in focus. She's a very light-handed makeup artist. I'd be watching some people on Instagram and they would be showing you tutorials that they got people like gravel up and then people pressing onto the person's head in your chair and you got my head in a vice
Unless like you're like a hairstylist or something, because
So brows are done. Do they look concealed, guys? Do they look like I'm turning into the Night King? Who knows? She's going in with a flat brush to apply the eyeshadow.
what a little bit there do.
Wait, okay. I apologize, guys. We are gonna speak very frequent Bajan.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Some Barbadian dialect for you if you're not from Barbados. So if at any point you don't understand what I said,
Well, you can always like put like, you know,
yeah, I'll put the
captions and
caption in if I think that my speaking is a bit too Bajan for some. I went to private school and stuff, and on occasion I've heard that I speak, what's the term? We call it great, we call it bougie, and it's basically whenever you speak standard English at a relatively slower pace. And to some Barbadians, they consider that you're speaking white or great or bougie, but really you're just speaking standard English. But when I am with my sisters, when I'm with my family, I tend to speak Bajan dialect because I'm comfortable and there's no need for me to code switch or anything. In my videos, I tend to speak slower and in standard English because not everybody is from Barbados, and I know it might be a bit difficult for you to understand what I'm saying. So if you have any trouble, you can ask me to to translate. So now I can feel that she's putting some eyeshadow on my brows, some white eyeshadow. She's really cementing my brows in, making sure that they're not gonna go anywhere. Okay. Ready for paint. We have water, and she has a few options here to apply the paint with. I'm gonna see what direction she goes with.
Kelly, you said you have water. I'm like, do we need to use water?
You can't. Oh, she's going in with the sponge applicator.
So this is what we have.
Uh-huh.
Very messy. Is it really supposed to be this right?
See the water that dripping out of the sponge.
But he is actually looking though.
He is. So this is the time when it's okay to be actually looking.
That was a bit too much water.
Oh God, thank you. It's coming along good though. If y'all saw the behind the scenes of this look, you would have known that I had toilet paper on my eyebrows, I had toilet paper, I think, on my forehead.
But
and I thought it was gonna achieve a very raised 3D look, and it really looked like a hot mess.
I can put it on your balls. I'm her favorite sister.
Oh gosh, let me not display bad behavior.
So I'm actually more into like hair, natural hair and stuff like that.
Which is true.
Yeah, I would say science and stuff.
We were on the one.
Yeah, I'm the one that you would find in the house doing their work, while the rest are out, you know.
Everybody share.
I can't.
Shame on you.
So yeah.
Listen, we are the ones that got her out of the house when she needed to learn how to party, when she needed to learn how to do anything. Anytime she needed help with anything, we were there.
Yeah.
Her first experiences going out were probably with us, because she knew that we had fun together. No mind she. But it's true, she's very different to us. Diana and we're very artsy, very free spirited. We don't like anything rigid and too stringent. Whereas Paige likes routine, she likes sciences, she likes stuff like that. I don't know where she gets it from, because nobody in the family is like that. None of us in the family. But you know, there's always that one person. That one person. I say I don't get him my face covered in white paint.
Like, this is normal.
It's normal. If you're enjoying this type of video, please let me know if you want me to do more of these.
So guys, I have everything on, but it's just looking so, like, you can see it. So I'm gonna try my best to kind of blend and, you know, get it to where I want it.
Okay.
Stunning.
Actually, I really think of this. That's the one thing. I don't flinch when it goes away. But like, in here. You can't wait. That's fine. Okay. I got so many of these. I may not need to.
I'm just gonna get this.
You know what's the front and what's the back?
I'm gonna assume it's really the little. I'm going to.
She's taking the ruby red paint, the black paint this time.
I'm just gonna, like, you know, do some lines. Some, you know, those squiggly lines.
So it's good.
Kind of achieve that sunken look, as she would have mentioned. It looks so bad until you look
very sunken. Slowly coming along with these sunken eye sockets.
Look up a minute.
You are doing wonderful. Okay, the eyes are done.
Oh, no, 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 no.
me and the
You used to go to the hairdresser.
and it's like,
You
you
was
like
showing,
it,
right? Yeah, you was showing the picture what you want. Then we leave the cure at the end of the day. She was like, you like it, right? And you're like, then you get home and you're like,
And then you drag it out.
and you just want to cry.
I think it's coming along nicely. To use this that looks like I think a black and maybe a dark brown.
If happy for your siblings, guys.
Come on now.
Motivate and inspire them.
Oh. Well, we didn't want
In
that.
the kingdom has some chin hair. Some on the lip hair. That's the first time I've ever got my sister to really do my. But you never do my makeup before,
No.
right? It's the first time she's ever done my makeup, and this is the look she chose to do on me. Imagine that.
Unacceptable!
Imagine the disrespect. Never do makeup on me, and this is what she chose to do to me.
I don't. So maybe I got a little help. So I'm now putting in the white lines.
Okay. Okay, Bounce. This is the finished look. What do you guys think?
Are you feeling it, guys?
I'm gonna include some pictures so you guys can do a comparison, and I'm also gonna do a slow-mo outro for you guys so you can get this look at all of its glory. How do you think you did, Paige?
I think I did great, you know. As someone with no experience with body paint and what's not, I think I did pretty good.
Yeah, guys.
Certain areas, yes. I think I was able to give the ice look. I couldn't get the you know, very intense, scary look going on, but you know, I did try.
Okay,
But I
so
won't
then-
blame Arca's face for that.
Of course.
Yeah.
Because it's my fault that.
But you know, you guys can let me know what you think.
Yes, you can let her know honestly what you think in the comments. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna flip to the pictures so y'all can get that comparison. And that's the end of the tutorial, guys. This is how Paige's makeup turned out. If you guys enjoyed this type of video, then let me know, and maybe I could start a series on the channel where I let my family come in and do my looks. Thanks for watching.